Greetings of the day. Welcome again to Learn English with me. In last video, we talked about the degree of comparison. That there are mainly 3 degrees of comparison. That is the positive, comparative and superlative. When there is no comparison between any of the noun, then we use positive degree. When there is comparison between two nouns, then we use comparative degree. Whereas when there is comparison between more than the 3 nouns, then we use this last superlative degree. That is why this is known as the positive degree and this is known as the comparative or the greater degree, whereas superlative degree is known as the greatest degree of comparison. So we had already discussed some of rules with you people. Let's proceed with the another rule, and the next rule is when the positive means first degree is long, that is a word of 2 or more syllable. Sometimes there are small words and sometimes you use the long word where there are syllables. Syllables basically the focus of the word. For example, dull. So we focused on only L sounds L, and there are long words. For example, beautiful. So here we focused on 2 words, 2 syllables. So when the positive word, the positive degree is long and there is a focus on 2 or more syllable, we add more or most before the positive word. More and most before the positive words means more with the comparative degree and most with the superlative degree. Let's proceed with the example. Beautiful. Beautiful. We write beautiful in the where? In the positive degree. We write more in the comparative degree and we write most in the superlative degree. If I say Ria is the beautiful girl, then Ria is more beautiful than her sister. I compare the 2 girls. I compare the 2 nouns. And when I say Ria is the most beautiful girl in my class, उस टाइम पे मैंने क्या किया कि सबसे खूबसूरत वो है, तो कंपैरिजन 2 से बढ़कर हो गया, 2 लोगों से ज्यादा लोगों के बीच में हो गया. तब मैंने मोस्ट का यूज कहाँ पे किया? सुपरलेटिव डिग्री पे. Similarly, we are having more examples. Intelligent. Rahul is an intelligent boy. It is a positive sentence. Rahul is more intelligent than Rohan. Then it is a comparative degree. Rahul is the most intelligent student of my class. Then it is the superlative degree. Another example is difficult. More difficult and most difficult. Similarly, we are having many more examples that are used as a more and most in the comparative as well as superlative degree. Let's proceed toward the other rule. Some adjectives totally change their form in the comparative and superlative degree. आपने देखा होगा कई बार positive, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव जो है ना वो मैच ही नहीं होते हैं. उनकी जो पोजीशन है वो इंटायरली जो उनकी डिग्री है बेसिकली फॉर्म ही चेंज हो जाती है. अब फॉर्म क्यों चेंज होती है? क्योंकि दे आर एक्चुअली फॉलोइंग द इरेगुलर डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. उस पर्टिकुलर रूल को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इरेगुलर डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गुड, better, best. Good in the positive, better in the comparative and best in the superlative. Similarly, bad, worst and much, more and most. Let's take one example. She is getting good marks. She is getting better marks than the previous one. She is getting best rest of the world. So all these are basically the rules of the degree of comparison. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay at your place, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you all.